Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TRC20 USDT in Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet and tap Receive to choose Tron and copy your TRC20 address. Share that address with the sender and confirm they will send TRC20 USDT. Always double-check the network and avoid ERC20 to prevent lost funds. After sending, wait for a few Tron confirmations and check your balance and notifications to confirm receipt and stay secure. To send TRC20 USDT, open Trust Wallet and tap Send to start the transfer process. Paste the recipient TRC20 address exactly and enter the amount you want to send. Double-check that the network shown is TRC20 to avoid higher fees or token loss. If a memo or tag is required, include it precisely. Review all details, confirm the transaction, and watch for confirmations to ensure the recipient receives funds promptly. Quick recommendation: if you like durable gear, try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for long crypto sessions. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more clear wallet tips. I added the Darn Tough Sock link and other deals in the description for easy access. These socks are comfy for long desk time and make a funny but practical tie-in to staying alert while managing funds. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your wallet safe by securing your seed phrase offline and never sharing it with anyone. Enable Trust Wallet biometric lock or a strong passcode to prevent unauthorized access and protect your TRC20 USDT. Always verify addresses by checking the first and last characters and consider sending a small test amount before larger transfers. Avoid clicking unknown links, use official app stores, and keep the app updated to maintain strong security practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.